I certainly didn't do it on purpose. Okay. I didn't know that it was laying there. Like, I laid down on my wrist brace Velcro for like 2 seconds. Oh. Okay. Okay, stop swearing because I'm videoing here. You're gonna get this out. Yeah, I've got to show Nicole that. Nicole, do you see what has happened to my hair?
Okay, stop. Oh my God, is that gross?
Oh, it's just.
Yeah, I know.
It's wrecking, isn't it?
Fuck it.
Oh my God, you
God,
can't.
Jolene, do you understand?
No, I do.
Oh, so gross. Okay. Oh.
It's not even coming out. It's not even giving. I don't even feel any give.
I know that got tight.
I don't care. Just get it out of my hair.
Okay. Are you ready then? Ugh.
Nicole.
Oh man, that would hurt. Jolene, that must hurt. I'm trying to be nice though. Nicole.
I don't even know. Ow! Oh my
God. Sorry. Fuck man, what do you want? Oh, you're looking at me now like it's a bad, like it's me being mean. You did this to yourself.
I didn't know I laid down for it. I didn't know it was even there.
Fucking happen. Oh, this is like tar. Getting tar.
No!
Why don't we just cut it?
No, what? Cut it. What's wrong with you?
It's like getting tar in your fucking hair as a kid, man.
How are we gonna get this out? There's gotta be a way. Look it up. Google it.
No. Yeah, Google it.
Well, somebody has got to have done this before. I am not the only one in the world.
Oh my God.
Nicole, I really wish you weren't sleeping right now. Because, ow! Oh, that like ripped right at the root.
Sorry,
You're scalping me.
I'm getting it.
Like a Navajo. Ow!
Jolene, stop moving because more hair is getting in it now.
Oh my God, I'm going to have to go bald. I'm going to have my head shaved on one side like in the 80s.
Oh.
Ow!
Oh my God, is it ever thick? It is fucking thick in there, Jolene.
What am I going to do? Are you making it worse?
No, I'm trying not to. I'm really trying each way. Oh God!
It's not even giving. Are you getting anything out?
Yes, I'm getting. It's fucking thick on this top part. I just won't puke. That fucking.
That's what you get for not telling me I laid down on it. I didn't even.
Yeah.
For 2 seconds, I'm like, oh hey, look at this.
Oh my God, that's full like knuckle twisters.
Oh, I'm never gonna get a brush through that.
Probably not.
Oh my God!
Oh my, that probably hurt, didn't it? Jolene.
Dean. This is embarrassing.
You know what's embarrassing is how did it go that deep up in your fucking hair, man? You don't even understand how much this is gonna hurt. I swear you went.
This is a really good brace.
You went and pushed it in fucking farther.
I didn't even know. I was laying on it until I sat up and it was hanging out of my head.
Okay, yeah, there was ripping.
You got it? You got it? Oh my God, my hair's wrecked. Nicole, bring your scissors when you come tomorrow.
Bring your scissors, yeah. Oh my God, is that gross. Okay. Okay, stop now. Let's have a little break. I'm sweating. It's so gross. And I bet you this hurts so badly because it's right. Now I've got right.
It's my hair.
I don't give a shit about your hair.
I do.
It's the pain.
Ow! Oh my God.
Totally
I almost passed out. Almost passed out.
Really? You're going to smash your head off the table? Oh. Okay, stop.
Are you getting anything?
Yes, I'm freaking close. Oh, God.
It's so bad, but it's so bad.
Sorry.
It's worse than being in a chick fight. Ow!
Almost there.
Oh my God.
Almost there. Oh, there it's out. Oh, oh my god.
I'm bleeding. I feel like I'm bleeding. Oh my god.
Oh, your hair's a mess.
Oh my god. Look at my hair. What did you do?
Yeah, what did I do? What?
I think I had it facing the wrong way the entire time recording.
Don't worry, they can probably hear. Let's listen to the sounds of it ripping. Ooh.
Alright, well, this is a disaster. Oh, nightmare.